Anyway, this is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading for water sign. Main energy is the Three of Wands and the Six of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. One more card. Water sign, King of Wands. Okay. So, I feel like medyo mas balance ka na ngayon pagdating sa iyong finances. Pwedeng napapagsabay mo na yung mga bagay na pagsabayin ngayon or nababalance mo na, no? Maybe with the Death card, some kind of ending ang nangyayari sa'yo. Pwedeng pagdating sa love or pagdating sa money, pwedeng ikaw na ito na parang ini-end mo na, pero bago mo i-end yung isang bagay, marami kang natutunan. For some of you, pwedeng natututunan mo na mag-turn down or alam mo yon yung parang iwasan or lumayo dito sa mga taong pwedeng pinagmumukha ka lang tanga. For some of you, pwedeng ito yung may kinalaman sa mga taong tinulungan mo before with the Six of Pentacles. You're being the King of Wands, no? You're a helpful person. Pero pwedeng ito rin yung gumising sa'yo with the Three of Wands na kung bakit kailangan mo ng yung iba sa inyo, pwede may mga nasabi kang hindi maganda. Kung hindi man directly sa kanila, pwedeng sa through post or through sa ibang tao, pwedeng sa friends mo. May mga nasabi kang hindi maganda dito sa mga taong ito na pwedeng gumising sa'yo. This is like with the Death card, pagkagising regarding sa something na pwedeng pinigilan mo sa sarili mo, no? Nasabihin or gawin in the past. And a lot of realizations. And napakaganda nito kasi pwedeng unlike before, hindi ka na nila pwedeng utu-utuin or like naubos din yung pasensya mo eh. Yun yung energy. Pero minsan kasi maganda yung ganun. So anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love? For water sign, please. Person nakakonect ni water sign pagdating sa love. Person nakakonect ni water sign pagdating sa love. Spirit guides, angel guides. Person nakakonect ni water sign pagdating sa love. Okay, you do have here the Seven of Pentacles. I don't know if you're dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is here. King of Cups. Oh, wow. Yung iba sa inyo could be a soulmate or a twin flame with a Queen and King of Cups energy. So, pwedeng kunin na rin natin kung ano yung connection, ano meron dito sa connection ninyo, no? Ano yung situation ninyo ng person na ito. Yeah, you could be dealing with your twin flame or your soulmate. Maybe for now, tinatry mong i-release itong person na ito because nakatingin ka sa realidad ng buhay. I don't know kung yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nagwe-wear ka or nagsusuot ka ng something na para mapaliit yung balakang mo, yung bewang mo. Yung parang ganun. Or maybe mahilig ka magsuot ng belt. Yeah. Yung iba, it's a waist trainer. Pero okay lang kahit hindi. Okay lang kahit hindi. Take only what resonates. Anyway, matulungin ka talagang tao eh. Yung iba sa inyo naubos pasensya mo, nakapagsalita ka na hindi maganda talaga sa mga tao sa paligid mo na pwedeng tinulungan mo. Nakikita natin yung malakas na sign na ganun. Weddings is here. And this could be the one. Yeah, you could be dealing with someone na parang you could be married in the past or may past life connection kayo. And then, kung sino man tong hinahanap mo ngayon or ano man hinahanap mo, maybe alam mo na dito mo sa taong ito matatagpuan. And then this person is with the Seven of Pentacles and try niyang i-work out yung kanyang money, kanyang career. Yeah, you might feel like parang hindi attracted itong person na ito, and that you feel like with the playfulness, pwedeng masyado niya nilalaro kung ano yung emotions mo because hindi mo maintindihan kung may gusto ba siya sa'yo or what. But your spiritual, maybe yung inyong intuition, yung iyong pakiramdam, nararamdaman mo na this is like the one for you. Pero you feel like hindi naman niya kasi pinapakita, there's no soulmate connection na ipinapakita mula sa kanya, pero ramdam mo that this is your soulmate. So, dahil hindi mo maramdaman mula sa kanya na open siya sa spiritual connection ninyo, for now, you're loving yourself. Okay? But yes, this is your soulmate. This could be the one for you. I feel like this person is coming back. Pabalik itong taong to eh. For water sign, please. You do over the Page of Wands. Yeah, I can see a communication between the two of you. The Death card. Pwedeng yung iba nag-end na communication. Or some kind of pag-uusap na parang na-realize mo na kaya dapat i-end na lang because of this pag-uusap. Pero, I'm feeling like this person is going to reach out soon. Malapit na siya mag-reach out. It might feel like parang walang kinalaman sa reconciliation ninyo yung pagre-reach out niyo. Pero meron eh. Parang magmumukha lang siya sa una na parang magre-reach out siya maybe because of money. Yeah, nagpapakita sa atin ito. The Three of Cups. This is a card for reconciliation. So, high chance of reconciliation sa inyo na itong taon to. This person is losing a lot. Five of Cups right now. Nararamdaman niya na maraming nawawala sa kanya and maraming nare-realize itong taon to. With the Knight of Pentacles, medyo mabagal lang talaga itong person na to because with the Hierophant, marami siyang natututunan or kailangan matutunan sa kung ano man yung situation niya ngayon. And tell me more for water sign. Romantic feelings is here. This person has a lot of love for you and ikaw din naman, and you do have your children and free yourself. Sa ngayon, parang wala nang pakialam yung person mo sa kung ano sasabihin ng iba because may malaking issue sa buhay niya na gumising sa kanya na sabi niya, parang itong issue nga na ito na kaya ko eh. Parang ganon. Maybe in the past, medyo issue sa kanya yung magiging sasabihin ng ibang tao dahil sa connection niya. But now, na-realize ng person mo, itong ang issue na ito na kaya ko eh. Parang ganon. So, pwedeng may gumising sa kanya. Na-realize niya na kahit anong issue pa iba to sa kanya, wala na siyang pakialam. Anyway, in the future, you do have the Six of Swords. The Ace of Wands. Five of Swords. And bottom of the deck is a Two of Swords. Alam mo, gugulatin ka na lang nitong person na ito. The Five of Wands is here. And the Three of Pentacles and the Fool. This person is going to take this risk para sa'yo. This person is going to reach out. Sabi ko nga, magre-reach out siya sa'yo kasi like maybe yung decision, lalo na kung ang decision mo ngayon is to move on. No? Kung ang decision mo ngayon, right at this moment, habang pinapanood mo to, is mag-move on na ako, ayoko na. If this is you moving on right now and telling yourself na parang wala na akong dapat i-expect sa person na to, ayoko na. If this is you, if you're not the one na nag-i-expect pa sa person na to, I'm telling you, this person will come back. The new love is here. This is your person as a new person. Lumalabas siya as a new person. Kumbaga, hindi na siya katulad ng dati. Iba na yung thinking niya ngayon. Iba na siya ng way mag-isip. Because why? Because tinatanggal niya na itong control, pagkocontrol sa connection ninyo. And I told you, regarding sa issues ninyong dalawa, marami na siyang issues ngayon na kinakaharap na nare-realize niya, itong ang issues na to na kaya ko. now in the near future, I'm going to take this risk. And wala na akong pakialam kung ano pang maging issue sa atin, ano man sabihin ng ibang tao, because for now, I realize na, keep an open mind. This is your person na mas nagigising na siya sa katotohanan, nagiging open-minded na siya. That there's a lot of love and passion between the two of you, and it is safe for this person to love and reconcile with you. Safe. Because why? This person in the near future sure will make the effort dahil, sabi ko nga, pwedeng maraming gumising sa kanya ngayon na parang nakakapagpalungkot sa kanya. Like this person is slowly failing na nauunti-unti ka na nawawala sa buhay niya. And hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. Hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. I should make something or do something. So, yun yung nakukuha natin sa person mo. Kailangan may gawin ako para hindi ka tuluyang mawala sa akin. And this person will follow you. And I feel like ikaw itong na medyo matatakot or medyo, diba sabi ko nga gugulatin ka na lang niya. So, medyo kakabahan ka rin, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. But, for what I can see here, you shouldn't do anything. You shouldn't run. Or what? So, anyway, paparating na yung person mo. Nasa healing stage lang siya eh. Gugulatin ka na lang niya. This person is currently healing. Yeah, a lot of nights. So, ang daming mga movement tayo nakikita dito because there's a lot of love coming from this person. Maghahabol siya in the near future. And this person is going to tell you the truth. With the Justice card, this person is going to tell you the truth. Mag-open up siya sa'yo because in reality, the Three of Swords, this person is currently in pain sa ending na nangyayari sa inyo with the Ten of Swords. With the Tower, sorry. With the Tower. Hindi niya kaya mawala ka. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.